What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable boost mode on the PS4, which is great if you have a 1080 TV and you haven't gotten 4K yet, and you got the PS4 like me in this room. I have a 4K TV, but it's not in this room. So what we're going to do is we're going to enable boost mode, and that's going to give you it's going to give you a little bit better overall display. You're gonna be pushing the CPU a little bit harder, and you're gonna get quality out of it. So, the PS4 Pro can handle it. Don't worry about that. So, first thing you're gonna do is just go to settings. Go ahead and go to settings. Press X, and then you come in here, and all you gotta do is go down to system right here. So click X again on system, and there it is, boost mode. Experience improved gameplay, including higher frame rates for some games that were released before the introduction of PS4 Pro. Turn this off if you experience unexpected behavior during gameplay, which probably won't. So go ahead and click that. Go ahead and press enter. And that's all it takes to give yourself a nice little boost. It's going to make your older games look just a little bit better. You're going to notice it. And it's worth clicking. So if you do happen to have a problem with it, please comment. If you like it, you saw this video and you like it, come back and tell us how it is. Let us know how you, maybe you don't like it, maybe you don't notice any different, but let me know. It'd be cool if you could comment and let me know. Alright, so thank you very much for watching, and if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe.